Okay, welcome back to CBD Yoga and Fitness, everyone. My name is Mike, and today we are going to be doing a morning Vinyasa sequence. So this is a really nice way to wake up, a really nice way to build some energy for the day ahead. So we'll begin doing some sun salutations, coming to the top of our mat, placing the big toes together and the heels about 2 inches apart. And we want to lift up from the arches of our feet. So we should really feel this engagement in our pelvis and throughout our legs. We'll let our hands rest by our sides. We'll just take a couple breaths here. Fully arriving on our mat, fully arriving to this day. Setting ourselves up to have a great day. Notice what it feels like to be alive today. Notice what it feels like to breathe. If you want to set an intention, by all means, feel free to do so. And once you have your intention set, we'll begin. So inhaling, bringing our arms up towards the sky. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, plant the palms, step the right foot back, followed by the left. Lower knees, chest, chin to the mat. Inhale, baby cobra, elbows hug in. Exhale, downward facing dog. You can pedal out the legs here, waking up the hamstrings. Making sure that you're pushing into the mat with your palms, really engaging your hands. And then on your next inhale, come up on the tippy toes. Exhale, bend the knees, look forward, step, hop, or float to the top. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, root to rise. Exhale, hands through heart. By your sides, keeping this engagement in our feet. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, plant the palms, step it back, lower knees, chest, chin to the mat. Inhale, baby cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Continuing to breathe here, coming back to our breath. Your next inhale, come up on the tippy toes. Exhale, bend the knees, look forward, step, hop, or float to the top. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, root to rise. Exhale, hands through heart. By your sides. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, plant the palms, step it back. Lower knees, chest, chin to the mat. Inhale, baby cobra, elbows hug in. Exhale, downward facing dog. Your next inhale, come up on the tippy toes. Exhale, bend the knees, look forward, step, hop, or float to the top. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, root to rise. Exhale, hands through heart. By your sides. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, plant the palms, step it back. Lower knees, chest, chin to the mat. Inhale, baby cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Coming back to our breath. This time we'll inhale, lift the right leg up. Exhale, bring the right knee to right elbow. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale, right knee to left elbow. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale, this time step the right foot forward, pivot the left foot to 90 degrees. Air guitar your left arm up. Coming into warrior two, right knee over right ankle. Take a breath here, smile. And inhale, peaceful warrior. Exhale, cartwheel the hands down. Move through your flow, coming into upward dog or cobra. And then exhale, back to downward facing dog. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale, left knee to left elbow. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale up. Exhale, knee to right elbow. Inhale up. Exhale, step the left foot forward. Pivot the right foot to 90 degrees. Air guitar your right arm up. Coming into warrior two. Left knee over left ankle. Take a breath here. Inhale, peaceful warrior. Exhale, cartwheel the hands down. Move through your flow. We'll meet in down dog. From here, inhale, right leg up. Exhale, step the right foot forward. This time we'll come into a high lunge. So inhale, rise up. Take a breath here. Exhale, plant the palms, move through your flow. We'll meet in downward facing dog. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale, step the left foot forward. Rise up, high lunge. Take a breath here. Exhale, plant the palms, move through your flow. Exhale, downward facing dog. On your next inhale, come up on the tippy toes. Exhale, bend the knees, look forward, step, hop, or float to the top. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, root to rise. Exhale, hands through heart. And by your sides, take a breath here. Creating this heat, this energy in the body. So from here we'll do 5 more rounds of sun salutations. One of my favorite ways to wake up. So we'll inhale, bring the hands up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, plant the palms, step back, lower knees, chest, chin to the mat. Inhale, baby cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. On your next inhale, come up on the tippy toes. Exhale, bend the knees, step, hop, or float to the top. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, root to rise. Exhale, hands through heart. By your sides, keeping this foot lock. Engaging your pelvis. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, plant the palms, step it back, lower knees, chest, chin. Inhale, baby cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Your next inhale, come up on the tippy toes. Exhale, bend the knees, look forward, step, hop, or float. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, root to rise. Exhale, hands through heart. By your sides. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, plant the palms, step it back. Lower knees, chest, chin. Inhale, baby cobra. Exhale, downward dog. Inhale, come up on the tippy toes. Exhale, bend the knees, look forward, step it up. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, root to rise. Exhale, hands through heart. And by your sides. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, plant the palms, step it back, lower knees, chest, chin. Inhale, baby cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Your next inhale, come up on the tippy toes. Exhale, bend the knees, look forward, step, hop, or float. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, hands through heart. And by your sides, we'll do one more round. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, plant the palms, step it back, lower knees, chest, chin to the mat. Inhale, baby cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. From here, inhale, pick the right leg up. Exhale, step the right foot forward, pivot the left foot, air guitar your left arm up, come into warrior two, take a breath here, smile, inhale, peaceful warrior, exhale, cartwheel the hands down, move through your flow, we'll meet in downward facing dog, inhale, pick the left foot up, exhale, step the left foot forward, pivot the right foot to 90 degrees, air guitar your right arm up. Coming into warrior two, take a breath here. Inhale, peaceful warrior. Exhale, cartwheel the hands down. Move through your flow. Downward facing dog. Inhale, right foot up. Exhale, step the right foot forward. This time rise up into high lunge. Exhale, plant the palms. Move through your flow, meet downward facing dog. Inhale, left foot up. Exhale, step the left foot forward. Inhale, rise up. High lunge. Exhale, plant the palms. Move through your flow. Coming back to downward facing dog. On our next inhale, come up on the tippy toes. Exhale, bend the knees, look forward, step, hop, or float. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, root to rise. Exhale, hands through heart. And by your sides. Great job, everyone. Almost done. So with our big toes together, we'll finish off with the chair pose. So we'll inhale, sink the hips down, bring the arms up overhead. And just stay here. You should be able to see the big two toes in between your knees. And you want to make sure that your knees are in one line. We'll hold here for 10 seconds. On your next exhale, fold forward. Inhale halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, root to rise. Exhale, hands through heart and by your sides. Great job, everyone. That wraps up this practice today. Thank you all for joining me today. Hope you all have amazing days. And if you haven't already, be sure to like and subscribe. I'm out of breath. And I will see you in the next video. Namaste.